Applying for jobs in Europe but not getting responses? The problem might be your CV. In Europe, CVs are structured differently compared to the US, Asia, or the Middle East. Employers expect a certain style, format, and even content, and if you don't follow it, your application may never even be read. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a European-style CV that gets noticed, step by step. And yes, I'll share where you can download free templates to get started right away. Alright, let's break it down into simple steps. Format, structure, what to include, what to avoid, and finally, where to grab those free templates. First, format and length. Keep it concise. 1 to 2 pages, clean design, reverse chronological format. Avoid fancy fonts, too many colors or photos unless the country specifically asks for one. In Europe, your CV should usually be 1-2 pages maximum. Recruiters don't want long essays. They want concise, relevant information. The most common format is reverse chronological, starting with your most recent job first. Keep the design clean, professional, and easy to scan. Unlike in the US, most European CVs still include basic personal info at the top: full name, phone number, email, and location, city, and country. Some countries like Germany, Austria, and France often expect a professional photo. In the UK, Netherlands, or Ireland, photos are discouraged. Always check local norms. Next, add a short profile summary, 3 to 4 sentences about who you are, your experience, and your career goals. Example: results-driven accountant with 5 years of experience in financial reporting and tax compliance, seeking to contribute to an international firm in Europe. Avoid generic phrases like hard-working and dedicated. Focus on skills and achievements. This is the most important section. For each job, include job title, company and location, dates, month, year, and 3-5 bullet points. Use action verbs like managed, developed, increased, and use numbers. Increase sales by 20% within 1 year. List your highest degree first. Degree name, university and location, graduation year. Include relevant coursework or thesis if you're a fresh graduate. If you studied abroad or have international certifications, highlight them. They add credibility. Add a skills section that matches the job. Technical skills like Excel, SAP, programming. Languages are very important in Europe. List proficiency levels, for example, B2 in French. Soft skills are fine, but keep them professional. Project management is better than team player. If you have space, include certifications relevant to your field like ACCA, PMP, or Google Analytics. Volunteer experience is valued in Europe. It shows social engagement. Only include meaningful hobbies. Marathon runner shows discipline. Netflix binge watching. Maybe skip that one. Don't include marital status, religion, or a full birth date. That's outdated. Don't overload with buzzwords like hardworking, motivated, passionate. Don't use the same CV for every job. Always tailor it to the role and country. The best place to get free European-style CV templates is Europass. It's clean and accepted across Europe. Other great options are Canva, Novoresume, and Zaidi. Many offer free versions you can customize. Just make sure you keep the design professional and not too flashy. Before sending your CV, always double-check grammar and spelling. Keep fonts and spacing consistent and save as a PDF so the format doesn't change when employers open it. So there you have it, how to make a European-style CV that really attracts employers. Keep it short, professional, and tailored. Which part of your CV do you struggle with the most? Formatting, wording, or tailoring? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss more career and visa tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job hunt in Europe.